Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford F-150, a powerhouse that redefines the modern pickup truck with style, innovation, and strength. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Ford F-150 commands attention with its rugged yet refined design. The grille up front is bold and available in multiple finishes, from chrome to matte black, making it adaptable to various styles. The redesigned LED headlights are sharper, brighter, and more energy efficient, seamlessly blending into the strong front fascia. The bumper offers a muscular look while integrating tow hooks and skid plates for off-road enthusiasts. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of engines, including the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 and the mighty 5.0-liter V8. For those eyeing efficiency, the hybrid PowerBoost engine provides a blend of impressive horsepower and remarkable fuel economy. This truck truly delivers whether you're towing, hauling, or cruising. Moving along the side, the F-150's strong character lines and aerodynamic mirrors enhance its robust appearance. The 20-inch alloy wheels make a striking statement, while the optional side steps add convenience for easy access. The side glass features acoustic lamination to keep the cabin quiet, and the body-colored door handles blend sophistication with practicality. At the back, the tailgate comes with built-in work surfaces and clamp pockets, making it perfect for on-the-go tasks. The LED taillights add a modern touch, while the integrated trailer hitch system emphasizes the truck's utility. Every detail on the F-150's exterior speaks to durability, functionality, and style. Step inside, and the 2025 Ford F-150 transforms into a modern sanctuary of comfort and technology. The dashboard is sleek and futuristic, featuring premium materials and intuitive controls. The centerpiece is the massive 12-inch touchscreen, compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen doesn't just look good, it's packed with features to keep you connected and entertained on the go. The side doors are designed with practicality in mind, featuring ample storage pockets and premium trims. The gear selector is foldable, giving way to a flat workspace in the center console, perfect for your laptop or lunch. The start button is strategically placed and features a crisp, illuminated design that adds a sense of occasion every time you fire up the engine. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, with controls for audio, cruise, and even voice commands. It's heated, ensuring comfort in colder months. The front seats are plush and ventilated, while the rear seats offer plenty of legroom for passengers. What really stands out is the innovative table between the rear seats, a game changer for road trips or mobile work setups. Cargo space is another highlight. The rear seats fold up to provide extra room for storage, while the underseat compartments help keep smaller items organized. Whether you're heading to the worksite or planning a weekend getaway, the F-150's interior ensures you're ready for anything. The 2025 Ford F-150 starts at a base price of around $35,000, with higher trims offering luxury and capability that can push the price north of $75,000. It's a versatile option for those seeking performance, technology, and comfort in one robust package. To wrap it up, the 2025 Ford F-150 is more than a truck. It's an icon that adapts to your lifestyle, whether it's for work, play, or everything in between. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more in-depth reviews of the latest rides. Stay tuned for our next adventure.